Hey friends, here's a Jimi Hendrix inspired lick that just might transform your playing forever. Check it out. It's something that you can play over any major triad, a kind of melody line that you can use to imply the chord. So for this example, we're in the key of C. I've got the C major chord, 8th fret position, bar chord shape. Overlapping with that, we have the major pentatonic scale, 8, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10. And Hendrix would use that scale to imply his major chords. Now this lick, one more time, get it into your ear. I'm going to break it down for you. We can start off with a walk up. 1. Okay, breaking that down into a few parts. We're starting off with that walk up. 10, 7, 10. Then on beat number 1, you're reaching for the 8th fret low E string, your root note C with your thumb, Hendrix style. 1. Alright, that's the first part of the lick. We're barring the 8th fret of the B and the high E string, hammer and pulling on the high E string up a whole step, and back before going to the 10th fret of the B string. Next we're going to play. That's so Hendrix. I'm still barring those 2 strings. I'm hammering up a full step on the B string. Alright, then going down to 8 and 8 before reaching for the 10th fret G string. Still creating those harmonies. Alright, now the final part. If you go down to fret 7, maintain fret number 8 of the B string. That's the 5th interval inside that C major triad. Now we're going to hammer on the G string. And we're hammering up to the major 3rd, which again is inside that C major triad. Hendrix would do that all the time. So there's that last movement. We're hammering up, going back down to 7 and 8 before finding the root note, and from there we can loop. Alright, a super cool classic rock Jimi Hendrix style lick that you can use to imply any major chord. Just move that up and down the fretboard. Friends, if you're looking for some complete courses, tabs, chord sheets, and so much more, check me out at patreon.com/swiftLessons.